My Aunt Helen was not the only one that acted up on this trip. My dad did as well. When things did not go his way or did not go the way that he felt that they should, they heard it. On this particular morning, they brought the breakfast late, which they did most mornings. And my dad yelled at them, called them stupid, and reminded them of how incompetent they were. For dinner, he let them know that the food was bad and that the yams were dry. He was not afraid to tell them what he felt. He did not bite his tongue. And that included everybody. But I can say that he did tip them very well. Okay, today is Wednesday the 18th, I think. Anyways, we're at the same hotel. Again, this is the outside. Hold on, let me wipe. I always have to wipe my camera off, my bad. This is, again, the outside of the hotel, the front. As you see, it has a gate, it has security, and it has a wall. But yeah, so today is Wednesday, December the 18th, I think. I might be wrong. Like, everything's running together. Anyways, today we're supposed to go to Aba to go to this big market. But for right now, I'm going to go eat breakfast. Anyways, check back, I guess, tomorrow or maybe later with more videos when we go to the market. Anyways.
What is smaller one?
My phone is not working. My phone cannot work.
See how this one's how they cross the streets. Eventually, that's how the other one is going to be. They're going to destroy it. They're going to make it. Okay, it's open.
You guys don't understand people at all. I know, but you guys don't understand. They go to royal plantains. I know, that's okay. I'll do my best. Yeah, when you're working again. That's not the best life. Look at everything you do, presented together.
The coffee.
Isn't it renting it to the government and so on?
Is this not a store?
Well, they're using the land for store now. They rent it out to do elections. So they still put that sign there. This is during the burial or something. It was just 2 months ago. 2 months. 2 or 3 months ago. People are there. Chinese language. If you don't really know what they're talking about.
Just
Yeah, the dollar.
Stop, stop, stop! Dad has a mouse!
Just step on it, darling.
Stop, stop, stop! Dad has an elephant!
Just step on it, darling. Daddy is relaxing.
The elephant is too big, Dad! Dad stepped on it. I want to relax.
I like when you look at this tree.
I think the vampire people know.
I like the
Yeah, I will
plants.
kill you and drink your blood.
Okay, boys, let me go first. I got the tasty blue prime.
All right, guys, now it's my turn. No, I didn't turn into a vampire. It was just
I'm
Pepsi.
finding what I
So
got.
become the vampire. Press like. It's Ronaldo. Subscribe.
After with Nero to support, let's say you try to, put a deck. See, they're using this bamboo to hold the trunk apart, the concrete floor. And then most of the time it doesn't come out right because it's not as study as metal. Because if it's a metal, now you can just jack it off and then sit on the platform. And then there's no reason why you cannot use the metal.
There are still 5 seconds before time to like and
Yeah, well, you reuse them. You don't. They can even rent it to this guy who does upstairs when they're done do it.
Have your song right on. That's funny because I wanted to tell you.
In how right and then I go have 50 kilos. It's not this, I know she don't have. Oh wow.
na so to ya nwere ike eruzi n'ụlọ ahụ na-eri onye ntụ zuru ndị na nke nwaanyị a
ndị azụrụ white soup nye white soup
ndị ahụ nwere ike ịrụ ndọrọ fast food na mgbọgọ asar fried rice ọ na onye ga-enye ya vegetable na anụ onye vegetable anyị bụrụ na fast food na mgbọgọ mgbọgọ azụ white rice
go stadium. Oh God.
Now like a fried rice,
fried rice. I got one now.
Maybe you have used even 100 before.
Maybe the restaurant.
Uncle. You bought a yak, right? Oh. I'm going.
This man forced his tall girlfriend into a wheelchair. The front door he'll say she...
If you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe. And check out our website at ezianwanyi.com.